Welcome to the Bostock Custom shop, where precision, craftsmanship, and innovation come together to transform your project into reality. Once your quote and rendered designs are approved, our team immediately transitions your project into production. Your project begins with materials. We source premium substrates, metals, woods, glass, and specialty trims. Each material is inspected for quality, consistency, and structural integrity before moving on to the production floor. Our production floor is equipped with industry-leading fabrication technology. CNC routers, presses, and automated cutting systems deliver precision down to the millimeter. One key element in ensuring perfect alignment is our wide belt sander. This machine guarantees material thickness is perfectly uniform, so every component fits and lines up exactly as designed. We also operate a full in-house paint and finish booth, giving us complete control over color, sheen, consistency, and overall finish quality. Next, the action moves to our panel cells. Here, individual panels are shaped and finished to your design specifications. Each panel passes through a precise sequence, from machining and pressing to finishing and edge treatments. For specialty sealing systems, our sealing cells handle complex geometries, curved components, modular assemblies, and fully integrated lighting solutions. This includes feature lighting, accent lighting, and custom-engineered lighting channels built directly into the system. Every product is inspected for dimensional accuracy, finish quality, and structural integrity before it's approved for crating. After final inspection, your product is carefully wrapped, labeled, and custom-crated for safe delivery. Our logistics team coordinates shipping so your materials arrive on schedule and installation ready. At Bostock Custom, we support your project before, during, and after production. From project conception to final installation, we are here to support you every step of the way.